Hello everyone, greetings to all and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide some blogs which are related to MITRE ATT&CK framework, and the perspective will be we are going to look at the blogs from the perspective of cyber threat intelligence, because these frameworks and certain related blogs to MITRE ATT&CK, they are really going to be helpful for people who are working in threat intelligence. The first one is obvious. It is a MITRE ATT&CK framework where we match the TTPs. Yeah, this is the interface. These are called tactics like initial access, execution, persistence, and other 14 in total. 14 tactics are there, as you can see: credential access, discovery, lateral movement collection, command and control, exfiltration, and impact. These are called tactics. And the subcategories that are mentioned within the tactics, these are called techniques. And I'm going to show you like how exactly it is matched. We have matrices for enterprise, like we have operating systems. Suppose that some attack campaign is going on and specifically it is for the Windows operating system. Suppose it could be for Mac, Linux, and cloud services as well. And we have also for mobile, in which we have operating systems for, some attack behavioral analysis for Android and iOS as well. And yeah, this is from here we can also navigate to, particularly if you're going to analyze some behavior of APTs or any attack from the enterprise perspective of mobile. Techniques could also be navigated from here. And the groups in this groups we are going to see multiple attacking groups, as you can see over here. See, we have lots and lots of, some are named groups, some groups are making use of cobalt and some other thing. So this particular tab is going to provide you some related information to the specific one. And if we are going to click within this particular APT campaign, then whatever related group description is there, techniques which are being generally used, they are going to provide it over here along with that tactics as well. See, here they have also mentioned of the software. Software means what kind of tools have been used by the APT campaigns or any attack in order to compromise any infrastructure or any organization. So here they have also mentioned that. And if you are not able to analyze it this way, they have also provided a different framework from where we can analyze it. Yeah, you have to navigate to Attack Navigator. You have to view in that, and I'll show you how exactly it is going to make you analyze. Okay, see, we have opened Attack Navigator in order to analyze the behavior, that how the attack impacted actually this particular APT uses. See, it starts from resource development, like tool development they generally use, the initial access, how it is done, from there the execution, how it is done. Then they have also mentioned about whatever it has been marked in a particular color, it is showing that the behavior of this particular APT19, that how exactly they conduct their attack. See, we have a lot of in defense division, they make use of decode files and information. Okay. Yeah, this is the one, and it ends at command and control, where they're making use of web protocols and standard encoding as well. So again, go back to this one and we'll look at the software. Software, we are going to see, like it is just providing you all the tools which are being used by any attacking groups or its state sponsored groups. They have mentioned a general thing, all the tools. It's a huge list, I guess. Okay, but your vehicle can actually make use of this by navigating to this particular URL. And what else is Resources you can also see if you want to see it, but the most important thing is this particular tab, software groups, techniques and tactics is there. And for data sources are generally used by teams that they want to analyze from where the data is being collected. Okay, data sources. Yeah, the collection of the logs from where they want to, so that the analysis can take a better understanding that through, suppose that the attack has already happened, and using SOC, in SOC generally we have correlation of logs and data. So that is where it is important, because the collection of logs and sensors is going to provide you a logs list where you can analyze the pattern, how the attack would have happened, and what are the timelines in the particular duration that they happened, or some beaconing to from your compromised system to the command and control. This could be there. Okay, so as we have seen this, I'm going to navigate to a different URL now, which is MITRE Engage. Actually, it is an advisory engagement framework that empowers your engagement advisories, means it helps you achieve cybersecurity goals in order to keep yourself updated and proactive. I'll show you the interface, how exactly it looks. You can go and check out this particular URL. Okay, just it is going to take some time. Okay, yeah, this is the way they are providing you the interface, where the group is mentioned, tactics is mentioned, technique is mentioned. Okay, it is made for the engagement kind of thing, like if you want to take your client to be more proactive, so that they can save themselves from any kind of attack that may happen within their own infrastructure. This is where engagement also plays an important role. And the next one is cyber analytics repository. As you can see, it is a knowledge base of analytics developed by MITRE and the exact framework advisory model. It defines actually data model that is leveraged in its pseudocode representation, but also includes implementation directly targeted at specific tools like Splunk and EQL. So see, from here as well we can also navigate to attack navigator layer that we recently seen for the APT19. And other things are there, like they are going to provide you analytics repository. Actually, this framework, this particular URL of CAR has a complete repository of analytics, that maybe some different analysis based on the attack campaigns that have happened, or some attacks that have happened. They have made, using the tools you can see cert util how exactly the attack would have happened, or maybe privileged. So based on that, they have a complete repository on that thing. Mitigation is also a method. Okay, let me see. They've also mentioned analytics is stored in car containing. Okay, hypothesis which explains. Okay, they have also mentioned about hypothesis. Hypothesis is generally used when we are making when we are doing some part of threat hunting. There we have to create some hypothesis, and based on that, we, within the time bound condition, we have to solve some certain problems or issues that have occurred. Okay, you can also navigate if you have anything to know about it. I'll just put that complete URL of all the particular blogs in the YouTube channel in the description box. From there you can navigate and see. Unity. Okay, this is another one. Just a moment, wait. Okay, I don't know exactly why it is being used, but it has been a part of MITRE attack framework. Let me navigate to a particular one. Okay, this is the exact one, attack evaluations. This framework helps you in order to evaluate any attack using this particular framework. It helps you to collaborate and evaluate security solutions as well for all the alerts and threats that have been occurred. It helps you doing the threat some purple teaming approach in order to capture the critical thing and provide solution to it so that it should not come for a longer period of time within and should not affect your own infrastructure or your organization. Okay, I'll provide the link. I'll provide the URL in the description. You can go and just see what exactly are the different things that you want to see in the particular URLs and blogs. After that, we have, okay, it's the Center for Threat Informed Defense. Okay. Okay, this is for R&D, research and development, that is being done using this particular one. Changing the game of the advisory. Okay, it's the Center for Threat Informed Defense. I mean, they some kind of providing some information about the threat that have occurred so that the defense can be provided and this particular can be used in correspondence with this particular framework or any of the framework that we have seen. Okay. Yeah, this is the same framework, but we are going to talk about advisory emulation plans over there. Okay. Emulation simple means that you have to create some environment based on the hardware and software. It could be on the virtual machine or some other system. You can provide the exact environment in order to understand how the APT3 attack or campaign must have happened when it actually happened over the internet, or how it could have impacted the particular organization or the targeted attack. How could they have done using the tools, techniques, and other things. Okay, and one GitHub repository that is dedicated to CTI, means cyber threat intelligence. I'll provide you the URL in the description, and from there you are going to check out all this GitHub repository, and you can make use of all the resources that are available over here. It's going to provide you about many attacks related to mobile ICS, enterprise, and other things. You can go and check out. Okay, it's the same one. I've already told you about the attack navigator. And so this is all that was available for attack framework with respect to cyber threat intelligence in order to create defenses against all these attacks so that your organization and their infrastructure could be protected from future attacks. Thanks all. Bye. And if you like this video or any suggestion is there that you want any particular kind of video or any particular domain or video, anything, please provide it in the comment and do like this video. Thank you.